Hi friends, how are you? Today we are going to create a recycle arrow circle. First we are going to create a arrow. For making arrow, create a rectangle. Create a second rectangle. Hold on shift key and rotate it. Create again a rectangle. Select these two rectangles and click on minus front. Now we have a triangle. Now select both and align it. Modify this shape. Direct selection tool. Resize the shape. Select both and align it. Select only this point and delete it. Modify it. Modify it. Select both shape and union these. Now we have a single shape. Modify the tail. Modify it. Hold on Alt key and drag it for copy. Modify the arrow. Now delete this one. Hold on Alt key. Again drag it. Press Ctrl plus D for repeat command. Now we have 3 arrows. And join it. Unite them. Now we have a single shape. Go to Windows, brush panel, drag this shape into brush panel. Create art brush. Okay. Now create a circle. Change the color. Now delete this one. Select the circle and apply the brush. Select the circle. Create two guidelines between circle. Now we have center point of the circle. Select the arrow. Go to object. Ungroup it. Again ungroup it. Now delete these two arrow. Delete it and delete this one. Select rotation tool, hold on Alt key and change the center point of this arrow. Click to the center and rotate it on 120 degree. Copy and paste on same place. Again paste on same place. Now hold on Alt key and change the center point of the arrow. First we have to select rotation tool, hold on Alt key and change the center point, rotate it on 120 degree. Again hold on Alt key and click to the center point. Rotate it on 240 degree. Now delete the circle. Now change the color of these three arrow. You can choose your color according to your need. Change the color. Now we have created our basic shape. Now write our text. You can choose your any text or any font style. Copy paste and copy paste. Now create a circle. Hold on Shift key and draw circle in ratio. Fill color none. Set the outline. Hold on Shift and Alt and resize it. Resize it. Adjust the circle like this. Change the font size and font style according to your need. Select the circle, copy and place in same place. Again paste in same place. Now select this text, cut it, choose the text on path, click here and paste it. Use direct selection tool and rotate it, or you can rotate the circle. Adjust the text. Select this text and expand it. Expand it. Now select this text, cut it and paste here. First we have to select text on path. We are selecting wrong text. Text on path. Paste it. Rotate the circle. Now select this circle for text select this text, go to object and click on expand. Okay, now select this text, cut it, and paste here. Rotate it. Select the circle or text, click on expand. Select the alt text and change the color. I am choosing gray color. Now select all, go to effect and go to 3D and extrude and bevel. Keep this value. Now select text. Again go to effect 3D extrude and bevel and apply on same value, but we have to reduce depth level. Okay, now select all these text and ungroup it. Select this text, ungroup. Sorry, we have to expand it before you ungroup. Expand it. Now select this text, ungroup it and again ungroup it. We have to ungroup our text 2 times. Now select this one, we have to ungroup 2 times this text. Select this one, go to select and select all text using this technique. Now change the color. Using this technique we can selection is very easy. Change the color. Here is some unwanted objects, remove them. Delete all these objects. Guys, we have created our logo. Hope you will like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.